Ito Isabel Donadio, Mwanzilishiwa Top Talent Agency, nimefurahi kukutana na ninyi nyote. This is my sixth time returning to Kenya and I'm very happy to be returning home.
10 years ago in 2015, with only one client to serve the people and spread messages of innovation, self-reliance, mindset, law of attraction, things that entrepreneurs and business owners in other parts of the world rely on to help grow and serve the world. In the last 10 years, this is our 10th anniversary. Now we've brought close to 100 different business owners and leaders of almost every industry. This time around, we have 15 different speakers, authors, and entrepreneurs, business owners, captains of industry, leaders, humanitarians. And so our job here is to give to the people, but no matter how much we give, we have realized we get more in return, and that's the magic of Kenya.
Students has been overwhelming with a lot of love and support. Every school that we've visited, we've received a very warm welcome. Oftentimes our people have been stunned into silence for a few moments just to really appreciate how much love these students have for us, that the staff and faculty have been very wanting us to come back to not only support the students but also see the progress on the very specific students, that some of the people here that were so touched by them that are now sponsoring them one-on-one to see their progress in their education, because we understand that the future of Kenya is here and the minds are sharp and they're hungry, and so we want to continue on so that way they can continue to have a wonderful future.
Dominic Obadia from Civility Voice Diplomats. I'm with Top Talent Agency and Kenya Keynote Tour. They are doers. They believe dreaming is good, but doing is better. Service to humanity is service to God, and that is exactly what Kenya Keynote Tour and Top Talent Agency are doing, and they believe in leadership, transformational leadership. Over the last 1 week, they've been going around schools in this country. We have reached over 20,000 students speaking about leadership and raising young leaders. It's usually lonely at the top if you don't raise another leader with you. So right now, we believe in the young people. We know they're the solution for this generation and generations to come. We continue to work in partner with like-minded organizations that are doers, but not sayers.
Paulette Wayne from Oceans of Grace, and it has been my true honor to come to Kenya. It's been a lifelong dream. I came here to offer hope and inspiration to the youth of Kenya, but I received so much more hope and inspiration from them. They are so clever and so bright, and it is so exciting because we are providing opportunities for youth in Kenya to become globally empowered with employment. And finding the amazing talent that we have found here in Kenya has been just mind-blowing. Not only are the smiles and the eyes so full of love and light, but the minds are so brilliant. They are not just the future of Kenya, they are the future of our world. And we are so honored to come here and meet them and offer them opportunity.
I'm Dr. Patricia Scipio from Maryland. This is my first time with Top Talent Agency on the Kenya tour. It was amazing to work with the students, to work with the young children, to work with the high school students, and to work with the college students. And feeding the young children, it was so inspiring. All of the students welcomed us very warmly, as well as the faculty, and it was really a pleasure to be able to take some of my experience and instill it in your youth, because they are your future, and we want them to know that they can achieve, that they can advance, and we are here to provide them with knowledge, encouragement, and inspiration for them to grow and achieve and to be like us.
I'm the CEO and founder of Evolve Advisory Group. We mentor high-performing business leaders and executives to become the leaders of the future. You know, I came here to Kenya really not knowing what to expect, and what I have found is just truly inspiring and amazing. Leaders of all ages. We've spoken to universities, we've spoken to high schools, we've even spoken with some parliament members, and every leader is ready to lead differently in order to take Kenya into the future and to become a global power. And I'm so excited to be part of that.
My name is Flossie Njama. and I'm one of you. I am a Kenyan living in the United States. I'm here with Top Talent Agency and the Kenya Speakers 2025 tour to bring back what I have learned, to show you that there's so much out there, but we gotta start where we are. We gotta bring it to the kids, we've gotta bring it to the family. So we've been serving and going to different schools. I am so overwhelmed because it brings me back to where I started. And if I can make it, you can make it. But this group here has made a huge difference. Sasa nataka kuambia, pale ulitoka, sio pale utaenda. That gives me so much power. Nawaambia dada zangu, ndugu zangu, everything starts at home. Na hao watu nawaona hapa, they have so much to give to you. They have a good heart, they're taking their time, they're leaving their families behind, wanakuja hapa because they love Kenya. They love the kids of Kenya. And they bring greatness, work, employment, education. We are going to get an author from one of the schools, in one of the schools we visited, and I'm going to sponsor that. So we encourage you, we empower you to understand the power of this group here.
My name is Melanie Soloway, and I could not be more honored to be in Kenya. It is my first time in a different African country. I was born and grew up in South Africa, and what is so incredible to me, I now live in America, and what is so incredible to me being here is truly feeling the Ubuntu spirit and knowing that it is not just exclusive to South Africa, but we have it here in Kenya too!
I am Roosevelt Williams III, representing America's young, black, and in business. We came here all to help Kenyans with educational, instructional, entrepreneurial content. Kenya forever. Kenya is richer than ever. Kenya is amazing. Kenya has color, culture, and consciousness. Kenya, with ambition and loyalty comes success. Kenya is richer than ever.
I'm the president and CEO of NewCalm, a neuroscience company that's bringing brain health to the world. This is my third visit to Kenya. Kenya is on the rise. I can see it in your eyes. Your heart's filled with love, your minds are filled with ambition. We are here on a mission to serve you and to accelerate your rise. Top Talent Agency and the Kenya Keynote Tour, we're here to inspire kids. We're here to inspire people to move out of the slums. We're also hiring Kenya kids to work around the world and in American enterprise. That's how we grow. We expand the global footprint of the 55 million Kenyans so that you can rise and be on the same level as us in America. So we love you and thank you for this opportunity.
Justine Reese. I am the founder and CEO of The Empowered Voice, and my goal and my mission is to empower voices from the inside out, particularly with women and children. Because when you empower a voice to take one step and speak up with their action, with what they need, they can reach their dream. And we've seen that happen. I also am sponsoring and part of a group called CouldYou.org, where we are bringing menstrual cups to your land that cost $10 each for 10 years, compared to the thousands you might spend on pads. And we are giving these away, we are donating them, and we are making Kenya aware. Kenya already is aware that if we keep a girl in school, that will transfer to $30 to $50 trillion in your economy and empower the women for their children as well. So when you empower a woman from the inside out, she's unstoppable. And one voice can, if we reach one person, and I know we've reached many, and doing this as a unit is so powerful, we are moved into action.
Colette Wayne from Oceans of Grace, and it has been my true honor to come to Kenya. It's been a lifelong dream. I came here to offer hope and inspiration to the youth of Kenya, but I received so much more hope and inspiration from them. They are so clever and so bright, and it is so exciting because we are providing opportunities for youth in Kenya to become globally empowered with employment. And finding the amazing talent that we have found here in Kenya has been just mind-blowing. Not only are the smiles and the eyes so full of love and light, but the minds are so brilliant. They are not just the future of Kenya. They are the future of our world. And we are so honored to come here